Okay, I'm down here with my freezers and all my canned goods. I'm gonna check out how things are holding out this year. You may remember, if you've been watching videos long enough, that last year I ran out of things in my freezer. I ran out of a lot of canned goods, so I really tried to put a lot more away this year. Let's see how it's going. We definitely have no shortage of pumpkins or sweet potatoes or butternut squash, which I would much rather have a surplus than not enough. Fortunately, all of these are storing really, really well this year too, so I'm not having any rot issues. Especially the pumpkins usually start rotting by now, and they're doing great, so glad to keep them around. Here's my vegetable freezer, and that is still going strong. I just went through my meat freezer and got these bags of turkey scraps and some chicken scraps out, and I'm going to go ahead and get those processed into broth. I've got a few bags of blueberries that are not quite edible quality for us, but the chickens will love them, and this is the time of year to start getting that stuff out and getting it used before it gets freezer burnt. Okay, all of my vegetables I use the vacuum seal bags on, and these stay fresh and stay great for probably a year. I've used stuff up to a year and it does really well, so there's not a huge rush on some of this. We still have a really nice freezer of meat. Got several chickens and some of our ground beef left over. I have some turkey breasts and plenty of pieces, chicken pieces, so we're good on meat too. And I didn't even talk about the cans, so I'm probably not even gonna have to get into these cans for quite a while yet. So I'd say things are going much better this year than they were last year. And the way my system goes is by the end of February, I try to have everything out of these freezers downstairs and up into our upstairs freezer, and it looks like we're going to be right on track to get that done, and then it's getting close to time to start filling it up again. So thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys the next time. I'm not really sure what to say about that one. So I guess you can narrate this part of the video as to whether you like cats or you don't.